is Vienna. Welcome to Vienna's Playhouse. Today, is the day before Easter, and oh my gosh, my mom made me this huge giant blind bag for Easter. So yeah, let's open it. So first it says Cinnamoroll blind bag. Here's the rarities: common, good, ordinary, very good, uncommon, rare. Rare. I can't see. Ultra rare, epic, legendary, mystical, mind-blowing, and surprise. Yes! Alrighty, everyone. Let's get cutting. I don't know how to cut it like this. Okay, anyway. Alright, because we're in a chair. You can barely see me. Let me just stand up. Okay, so let's just cut in a straight line. Okay. It's not, it's kind of not easy, but it's fine. It's fine. Cut, cut, cut. Snip, snip, snip. It's so hard to cut. It's so big. It's ginormous. Oh my gosh, we still got a lot. Oh my gosh. We got one strip done. Just one more strip. So guys, it's kind of uneven because I couldn't see, but yeah. Oh! Okay. So just put it on the ground. This is common. Let's open it. Cut, cut, cut. Oh. This is so cute. What? This is awesome. This is so cute. Okay. Oh! I'm the queen because I got a cat and a birthday present, so. And in another picture, let's open this. I'm another queen. Well, Cinnamoroll's the king, but fine. Ah! Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Okay. All the hard work is like gone, but okay, I need to see good. Good, 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 good. Let me just. Where's good? I don't see good at all. Where's good? That's epic. All these pictures are so cute. I don't see good. This is ordinary. Where's good? Okay. I lost good. Very good. Where's good? This is mystical. Where is good? Good, 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 good. Okay, guys, I don't see good anywhere. Where is good? Wow. Is this good? No, that's mind-blowing. Okay, guys, I don't see good. Guys, I finally found good. Finally. The good is really small. Like, what is this? What is this? This is so cute. Wait. Wait, I love this. Wait. December, January, February. Okay. What in the... March is not my birthday, but it's fine. I'm speechless. Time to find ordinary. Ordinary, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Here I am, how do you do? It's like, oh, hold on, I forgot to explain the picture. So common is only milk, really cute. Milk sitting. Good. Cinnamoroll hula hooping with scary milk. Yeah, scary milk. Ordinary. What is it? It's hard. Let's just cut. Snip. Where's the... I'm cutting out of the line, or I'm not even cutting the line, but it's not even open. Let's just sink down a little. Okay, this thing is not that strong, but, or this thing is really strong because I cannot even cut. Open it up. Oh, there you go. Wait. Post-it! Ah, this is so cute! I love this. I love this! In this picture, it's milk and Cinnamoroll. I'm swinging on a log. Let's see what's our category. Very good. I already see very good. And I disappeared, and I didn't. It's milk drinking milk. Okay. Okay, I like that actually. Just snip. Snip. There's two things. More Post-its, I love this. This is my favorite. I love this. I love this. So cute. Okay. What else? Very good. Oh, uncommon? Oh yeah. Very good. Very good. Anything. That was uncommon. I found uncommon. Over here, a Cinnamoroll milk, and a cat. My favorite type of cat, sleeping. This feels like a blind box. Okay. I'm not gonna start off on the starting point. I'm just gonna do this. I can't see because, sorry. This is Cinnamoroll, but I think it's a surprise. This is a surprise. This cannot be Cinnamoroll. This cannot be Cinnamoroll, or this is either not Cinnamoroll or Cinnamoroll. Okay, let's open it. What in the? There's so much packaging. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. It's Cinnamoroll. It's a soap. I'm not doing ASMR today because I'm like really excited. And there is Cinnamoroll itself. I love the clear bubbles. They're like hologram. Cut. Look at the mini soap. It's so cute. So there's like Choco, Hang It On. I want Hang It On, Cinnamoroll, Papa Fern. I want all the boys. My Melody and Kuromi. Oh, I also got. I'm gonna open this in another video. Our table is a mess, but it's fine. Rare. Rare looks so cool. It feels like this squishy. Squishy. Okay, I can I could tell there's something in. It's so oh. Let's open it the other way. Oh yeah, it's Cinnamoroll taking milk a bath. Snip and okay. Wait. I was expecting this to be a squishy, but it's a plushie. Wait, I have one but milk. I have one in a claw machine. It's so cute, like no one can touch it. No one. Okay, I'm gonna keep it right here. What else? Ultra rare. I found it, I think. Yes, of course. It's another blind box. It's me or Cinnamoroll reading Milk, a book. That says Viola. Viola's big sister, Vienna. I actually have this book. Move out of the way. It's my favorite book. I'm gonna read it to you guys in another video, I think. Hello, darkness, my old friend. It's this. What? It's Pump and Burn, but oh, I guess the pocket. Oh. I hope I get Cinnamoroll and milk because it's so cute. So there's Cinnamoroll and milk. Cinnamoroll doing the checkup. Cinnamoroll receptionist or surgeon. Oh, Kuromi surgeon. Pom Pum delivery man. Pom Pum surgeon. Pachaco delivery man. My Melody nurse. My Melody. I don't know. And Hello Kitty, flight attendant. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Hello darkness, my old friend. There's two things in it. Of course. Milk is so cute. I wish they kept the brown eyes though. Okay. Really cute. Snip. Only got one thing out. Chair. I can't wait to see the mind-blowing one. Okay. not throwing away anything except the trash, like this trash and this trash. It's really cute. I'm setting all of this up. Okay, I opened Ultra and now I'm gonna open Epic. Epic! Cinnamoroll and Milk holding balloon, or only Cinnamoroll. But Milk is having fun. Okay, this one doesn't have the line point, so I'm just gonna cut, whatever, I guess. I could trade this eye for cut. What's this? What's this? Wait, what is this? What is this? Wait, I need a second to look at this. It's wonderful! Is this a blanket? It's like a quilt. Is this a quilt? I think it is. This is really cute. I'm laying this. I'm just gonna wear it for now because all of this is covering my screen. Hello. Next we got Legendary. Like, what is inside? So this is Milk on top of Cinnamoroll. What's inside here? It's like crumply. What is this, a snack? Go open this way because I don't want to cut the L. Ugh. Oh. Mocha, chiffon, milk, Teddy, espresso, and cappuccino, and some decorations. Wait, is this like part of it? Because this is cute. I'm gonna open everything. The bear goes first. Next goes chiffon. And this is milk. Yeah. Mocha, I'll get you out of here. No wonder it was so crumply. Cappuccino. Oh! That was devastating. And espresso. Hold on, be right back. Birthday to you. So cute. My favorite one is obviously this one for now. Really cute. What else? I just opened Legendary. Mystical, or this paper's in there. Hold on. There's trash. Mystical. Another blind box. And it's Cinnamoroll teaching Milk the ABCs. Wait! I had this! But I got the one with the drinks. I hope I don't get it again, like. Oops. Oh! Yes, I love this kind because it was so hard to like make, but now I'm an expert. I love these. Like they're so cute. Milk, I'm gonna get you out of here. Wait, where's Cinnamoroll? Oh. Cinnamoroll, I'm gonna get you out of here. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I can't even find Milk anymore. Oh, there it is. There he is. Or she. I don't know. That is so cute. Wait, there's supposed to be one more thing. Oh, never mind. Oh. Just put it. Okay, guys, hold up. I'm gonna assemble it first. Okay, this is the results. I don't even know how to like set it up because like it didn't give me instructions. It only gave me this. It's just QR code. So this top it's clear, and then the back and the front is curtain. This side is like I don't know, and this side is also clear. So yeah, this is my another box. Really cute. Nice and sturdy. Yeah, totally. And then the next one is mine. I'm so excited to see this one. So there's Milk, or PS Cinnamoroll, chiffon, and mocha. I'm scared I might cut something off. What? That is cute. Wait. Another one? Really cute. Yes. It's really, 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 really cute. Yes. Last one. The surprise. I'm really excited. Oh, these are the categories. Hello Kitty, Purple Karomi, and Black Karomi. My Melody. Nice Piano, Pachaco, Hang It On, Pom Pom Purin, and Cinnamoroll. I already got Cinnamoroll, Pachaco, and My Melody. I want these two. Hang It On and Pom Pom Purin. Let's get it opening. Why is the mini blind bag bigger than this one? Okay, let's see what I got. Let's open the mini blind bag. I got Pom Pom Purin! Yes, yes, yes! It's really cute. Yes, I opened it. This is really cute, you guys. I love this. I'm in love. I haven't built one of these ones in like a while. Yes, I have so much for my collection. I'm like making a collection because like they're really cute. And so I'm redecorating my room. more mini blind bags. Even minier blind bags. Miniature blind bags. I'm in love. Pum Pum Purin looks so cute. Okay, Pum Pum Purin gets to sit over here. Ugh. Wait! These can fall out? Wait, I didn't know. First of all, you get in your seat, Pum Pum Purin. Thank you. And then you just... Okay, this is really hard. So that means we'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. Here's the Pum Pum Purin. And then we're done. We got Post-its. This is like one of my favorites. My favorite is... I don't know what it is, but one of my favorite is the quilt thing. And... Oops. And now, milk is flying. Okay. Let me just take that out real quick. Let's just... There you go. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.